Hey guys, hope you've been well. I've been busy working away at a longer form video surrounding this super underrated budget-friendly keyboard. It's a prototype called the HH60 and it's aimed at the beginner market. I've been chatting to the designer and I've got some really cool insight about it, but for now here's a little sound test that I couldn't resist putting together. Be sure to drop us a sub if you want to see the longer form video. Cheers!
Hiking in the sun, the happiness that you want, you know.
Yeah. Twisting in the cup while the sunrise, sticky like the rain in the summer. Twilight in the blunt and I'm gone flying, way up high with a kite stream away. Cloudy in my truck, sitting dumb high. I know I'm gonna see the golden light of